and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ajane, and in today's video we're going to be doing another clothing haul, but this one is from Lovelywholesale. I've done a Lovelywholesale haul like 3 times. I've been watching other people do it and it seems like their clothing is just getting better and better, so let's just see if I got lucky this time. Make sure you guys go and check out the code is water and use my discount code Ajane and get you a cup just like mine. We can be twinsies. They even put my YouTube channel on here, so if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. If you guys are interested in knowing like where I got this hair from, I did a video on it, so that video was uploaded before this one, so I'll leave it in the description box down below so you guys can go and check it out. It's cute, it's a closure. But that's not what this video is about. Let's go ahead and get into these clothing items. I'm going to show them first and then try them on. Usually when I do these videos, I talk about it while it's on my body. But let's just see. The first thing I have right now is these jeans. They're in a size small. Each item comes individually wrapped. Shipping time. I don't remember what the shipping time was, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. I'm going to check and see when it said it was shipped out, and I'm going to check and see when it was delivered. So here's what the pants look like. They're not super thick, so I don't know how it's gonna be for like winter coming up. But other than that, it looks like the picture. If this is a shirt, I'm gonna pair it with this shirt. Okay, this is super thin, so not necessarily good for the winter, but let's just see. I'm gonna pair this white top, you'll see when I put it on, with these black. So next we have this dress, a black dress, and it's supposed to be like that, the stitching thing, so it has like little droopings. I think it's supposed to be there on purpose. I'm pretty sure it's on purpose, but this is just a black dress. The material is good and it's super stretchy. I got this in a size small, and it's long sleeve. You'll see it when I put it on. Next item I have is this sweater. You can never have too many sweaters, period. I don't have a lot of sweaters though, so that's why I've been trying to get them. It does seem like it's a little bit thin, so I probably would have to wear a shirt under it, but this is just how the sweater looks. Cute. I would definitely wear this sweater. The thing we have is these black jeans. Okay, these are flare. They're gonna be too big. So just by looking at them, by like where the butt is, these are gonna be super big on me. The waistband doesn't have that much of a stretch, but this is obvious. Look at this. I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping, am I? This is obviously gonna be super big on me because this is a private area, and this is like basically my chest. So these pants are definitely gonna flop. I already know, but I'm going to pair these pants with this. I have hopes for this top because this actually feels good and it looks good. And it didn't come already. This is how this top looks. I have hopes for this, so let's just go ahead and try everything on, and I'll let you guys know how I feel about each item. Okay, so I am wearing a white bra. So yeah, this white top. On camera, it doesn't look as cheap, but I don't know. It's good to see it in a mirror. But this is how this top fits. I would need to wear a black bra or a bandeau kind of bra so it doesn't show. When I do this, my arms do come up, and that's because of the armpit. If I move this to the armpit, it stops right here, but you can't just pull it down. I actually like this top on me. It gives me more of a shape. Now these pants, on the other hand, these pants do not fit my waist at all. The design of it isn't bad though, and it stops at my ankles, which is good, but they don't fit my waist at all. Y'all see, I be trying, but it's not just giving me, it's not giving me what it said it was supposed to give it at all. At this point, I think I should just start getting an extra small, but the website does not offer an extra small, nothing I know of. Okay, if I'm giving ratings, I'm gonna give this top like a 7, just because it does look like the picture is just really thin. If it was thicker, I would rate it higher, because I actually do like the design of it. It's just a little thin, not good for the winter at all. These pants, I'm gonna have to rate them a 5, because if my pants don't fit my waist, I don't wear them at all. Like, I'm not wearing these. I'm not wearing these. They don't fit my waist. So I need to start getting an extra small, or just not order pants from them ever again, because their tops don't be doing me wrong like their pants do. Their pants always do me wrong. Okay, so this next item is just this black dress, and I like it. It's definitely warmer than both of those items. I do know that it has a thicker layer. Those are a very thin layer. But this dress, I like it. I actually do like it. I do see myself wearing this in the future. I don't know what shoes. You guys know I don't have a lot of shoes. I don't have shoes, so I need to buy shoes, but I don't have shoes money, so yeah. But this is how the dress looks. Check it out. I don't have much to say. It is warm. It's not like, you know, winter warm, but like I could wear this on like a fall day and be pretty chill. So yeah, I give this a 10 out of 10 because I don't have any complaints on this dress. I love it. It fits really nice. Here's the front and here's the back. And yeah, let's just move on to the next couple of items. Okay, so like I suspected with these pants, these are an absolute no. Like, how does it fit my waist, but it's so baggy? And look at the ground. Y'all see this? I know I'm not tripping. Y'all see this, right? So yeah, I'm never ordering pants from them, but so I'm giving these pants like a literal 2, because it does match the picture. It just does not fit me. Like, I'm really embarrassed. I'm super embarrassed. Anyways, this sweater is super thin. Well, it's not super. This sweater is a little thin, and you can see my white bra straps. So I would wear an undershirt under this sweater, but I do see myself wearing this sweater. I actually like this sweater a lot. So I'm giving this sweater like an 8, just because it should be a little warmer. Yeah, they really try.
Look, I say, bitch, I got the motherfucking lemon pepper stuff. Bitch, I step.
I'm gonna put my regular jeans back on. Okay, y'all, give me a second. I'm trying to button these up. You know, most button-up shirts I know don't stretch, so I'm not really expecting it to stretch. I did lace this up myself. Not my right hand not knowing how to button a button. This is embarrassing. The arms fit perfectly. Yeah, the arms fit perfectly. It looks just like the picture. Go lace it up and make it shorter. And strings are kind of long. You can cut it if you want. I'm just gonna tie it back here just for a little bit. So yeah, here's how this top looks. Really cute. This needs to be ironed. Let's show the back. I don't think I'm showing you guys the back of the top score, but this is how this one looks. I think this has to be my second favorite item. My favorite item would have to be the black dress from this haul. But I like this top. I can definitely see me rocking this. I don't know what to wear this with though. I'm gonna have to look up people with this style of shirt to see like how they styled it up. But I do like this top a lot. Oh, the shoulder pads. We're not feeling the shoulder pads though. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna iron this so the shoulder pads aren't out. If you guys like any of these items, go ahead and use my discount code right here for your 10% off. And comment down below what your favorite item was. If you thought those blue pants on me looked stupid like I did, or you thought they looked cute. Either way, I'm not wearing them. But yeah, if I work with them again, I'm only going to get tops and dresses, because their pants do not fit me. And like, I know I'm pretty little. Like, for like size reference, I am 5'4", so I'm not like super tall, but I'm not short either. Like, I'm really like a little below average, or I am average height for a female. And I wear size small. I weigh 115. My waist is a size 26, 27. And yeah. Comment below what your favorite item was. If you liked it, if you like my hair, check out my last video. Check out the coldest water. I literally had this ice in this bottle all day. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos with me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.